Good afternoon, everyone. It's Brian. I'm going to show you a quick, short tutorial on how to create a report for multi-class grades and attendance. Particularly, I'm using this to create a report for my core class with just a few clicks of the button, I can access their grades for their classes and their attendance for their classes so that I have something to talk about with them and just keep track and be proactive in helping kids who are in trouble. So first thing you do is you go to Skyward, click on the gradebook. Gradebook, choose your core class. Your core class will have no grades in it. Now you're going to go over here to the Reports tab, scroll down, and select the Enhanced Multi-Class Progress Report. Enhanced Multi-Class, not the regular one, the Enhanced. Here you're going to have to create a new template because you're going to do a couple things that are different than the ones in the existing reports. So just highlight one of these reports and click Clone Template. Clone Template. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it Multi-Class Core Report. And save. Here now you can click and select things you want. If you only want to pick kids who are with less than 60%, you can. I'm going to, for now, not do that. Leave it unclicked. Just click for the current term. I want the student name and the student ID, and I want attendance totals. I want to print them in all of their classes, not just in this class and not just where I'm the teacher. And I'm going to select Do Not Print Any Assignments or Categories because at this point I don't want the detail. And I'll show you why in a second. I'm going to turn off this button for signature line. In the footer, I'm going to leave display class, current class grade, and comments, if the teacher had put in comments for the progress reports. And that's it. I'm going to save it. And now I'm going to highlight it, multi-class core report, and print. I'm going to wait patiently while the machine runs the report. It takes a little bit longer because it's accessing all of the kids' grades in all of their classes instead of just your own classes. There it is. And here's the report. I'm going to zoom in here and I'm going to blur some of the information so you won't be able to see it because it's going to be posted someplace. Don't want it to be accessible to people. So if I zoom in, I see this report for a particular student, and for each class it shows the class name, the teacher name, absences, excused and unexcused, it'll show tardies, and the current class grade, a percentage, and the letter grade is underneath the spot that's blurred here. But for each class it does this, and each page will have a breakdown for each class, for each student, and it will tell you some information. Then, if you find a student that has a failing grade, you might want to go back into that student's records and find the detail. You might want to print off a missing assignment report or something else so that you can help them navigate their way to a little bit of success and build a relationship with them for their academics. So, hope that works for you. You can print this and be ready to go for your next core class. Let me know if you have questions. Thanks.